In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the appearance settings on the web version of our platform. It's a quick and easy process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to switch between different theme options such as light, dark, and use system settings. Let's dive right in. First things first, locate your profile icon. You'll find it in the upper right corner of your screen. This icon is a gateway to a range of settings that allow you to personalize your experience. Once you've spotted it, go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with several options. What you're interested in is the Settings option. Selecting this will direct you to the Settings page where you can tweak various aspects of your account. Now that you're in the Settings menu, let's focus on finding the appearance settings. You'll either see it right away or as part of an Appearances drop-down menu. This section is dedicated to how the interface looks on your screen and is the key to changing your theme. Clicking on the Appearance option will bring up a few different choices for customizing the look and feel of your interface. There will generally be three main options available to you: Use System Settings, Light, and Dark. The Use System Settings option will align the theme of the web version with the theme you've set on your system. For example, if your system is set to dark mode, the web version will match it. The Light option is the classic bright theme that keeps everything looking clean and minimal. On the other hand, the dark theme is perfect for those long nights in front of the screen, or if you simply prefer a darker aesthetic overall. Once you've decided on which theme you want to go with, simply click on it to highlight your selection. It's an easy step, but an important one in personalizing your user experience. Finally, to save your chosen theme, look for the Save button. This is usually displayed prominently. Clicking Save will instantly apply your selected theme across the web interface, providing you with a refreshed and tailored experience. And there you have it. In just a few simple clicks, you've managed to adjust the theme to one that suits your preference. Whether you choose to match the system settings, experience the light interface, or switch to a dark mode, you now have the tools to customize your user experience. Keep in mind that you can return to these settings at any time to make changes as your preferences evolve. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has helped to enhance your experience on our platform. Until next time, happy exploring!